Hello everybody, this is Dan Riley for Sports Talk on Passionate World Internet Radio. With 23 losses this season, a program record, the Michigan men's basketball team has put to bed any sentiment their university is a basketball school. The last time this program was on people's radar, Bill Clinton wasn't even in office yet. It's time for the University of Michigan to get desperate when it comes to basketball. And I mean desperate. If they don't go for a coaching change, which they honestly might, Michigan needs to find ways to pump more money into the basketball program. Promise recruits more playing time or NIL money than other schools. Anything short of academic fraud or cheating. And that's just if they don't get rid of their head coach. If Michigan wants to be as dominant at basketball as it is at football, and that doesn't look likely in the near future, changes need to be made. It's rare for a school to be good at both. It really is. There's a reason. Resources and initiative. The University of Michigan, honestly, only has the former. Setting a program record for most losses in a season is a wake-up call. People don't talk about Michigan basketball for a reason. If Michigan doesn't get desperate to fix this team soon, and I mean really desperate, it might as well end the men's basketball program. The only thing I can remember Michigan men's basketball being proud of itself was the early 1990s. And remember, this was when they had their accomplishments stripped from them because of Chris Webber's scandal. Other than that, Michigan has never really been dominant at basketball, at least not its men's team. Let's look at the statistics. It was in the Final Four twice in the 2010s, but before that, it was rare to see Michigan get to the Final Four. And even when it was the NCAA tournament rubber-up, it really didn't get much press, did it? Something has to change. The University of Michigan, when it comes to its men's basketball team, needs to take the initiative and do what it takes to make the team a winner. The last time they won an NCAA tournament was 1989. That was a few decades ago. We can only hope this team turns it around soon. This is Dan Riley for Sports Talk. Thank you so much for tuning in, and so long.